To make a comprehensive, exact, and systematic search, it is necessary to search with thesaurus terms, if it's available in the database, and in title, abstract, and author keywords fields. In this film, we are going to show you how you can do this in the database APA PsycInfo. Our research question is: how effective is cognitive behavior therapy for treatment of older adults with major depression? Begin with picking out the keywords from your search question. They are then your search terms when you are searching in databases. We will start with the keywords cognitive behavior therapy. To see if a thesaurus term is available, we click on Subject's Authority under Research Tools. I write in cognitive behavior therapy. And there we have the term. I click the box and click on Add to Search. And now we have it here in the first row. In the second row, we would change the operator AND to OR. And I will copy this one, cognitive behavior therapy. And we would also like to have synonyms and related words, for example, CBT. So I will also add CBT. And here in all fields, I will change that into title and abstract. On the third row, we will change again the operator AND to OR. And I will copy this entire row and put it here on the third row. And here we will change all fields into keywords. And then we click on Search. Now we have done the first one, and we will use this search later in combination with two other searches. We will now search for our second concept, which is older adults. We will go to the Subject's Authority again under Research Tools to search for a thesaurus term, and we search for older adults. Older adults is not available, but the term older adulthood can be used. We click on it and add to search. Again, we will search in the title and abstract field on the second row. We change the operator AND into OR, and we write older adult, as well as synonyms: elderly or senior or seniors or older people. We change all fields into title and abstract field. Title or abstract. In the third row, we change the operator AND into OR, and we use the same words as for the title and abstract field. So I just copy that one and paste it there. And then we change all fields into keywords. Then we press Search for our second search. We will use this one later in combination with our other searches. Our final concept is major depression. We will go to Subject's Authority under Research Tools to see if we have a thesaurus term. Major depression is available as a thesaurus term, and we click Add to Search. And here on the second row, we change the operator AND to OR, and then we will write depress to include different variations of the word. We change all fields into title and or abstract. And on the third row, we change AND into OR, and we will use the same word here, depress, like this, and then we would change all fields into keywords. And then we click on Search. We have now done 3 separate searches, but we would like to combine all 3 of them into one. First, I will clear this search field, and then we will go to Recent Activity under my dashboard. Here we have our 3 searches, and I will just tick the boxes like this. And I will also clear this row again. We can see that it was filled again. We clear this one again. We tick the 3 boxes, and then we press Combine with AND. And then we can see we have our 3 searches up here. And then we click on the search icon. Now we have made a comprehensive, exact, and systematic search with all the 3 concepts, including synonyms. And the search has been done in the key fields of the documents: thesaurus, title abstract, and author keywords. It is also possible to use filters such as peer review, publication year, and language to limit your search further. If you have questions about searching in databases, contact a librarian. Good luck with your searches, and thank you for watching.